If you are running ads on Google Ads, let me tell you that one of the most common problem any advertiser faces while running his or her ads online on Google, or you can say Google Ads, is the Google Ads account suspended. Your Google Ads account can be suspended for many reasons, for as unauthorized access, for circumventing system, for malicious software issues, for trademark issues. There are many issues, which is why your Google Ads account can be suspended. But one of the most common and popular reason which can suspend your Google Ads account is due to suspicious payment. This error primarily occurs to new advertisers who are advertising first time on Google Ads. Second can be who already have an account. Third can be who already have a suspended account. Fourth can be people who have changed their location, have changed their device, used a proxy server, VPN, or any other thing to log into their account. Sometimes, if you change your billing details, add your credit card, or something like this can also suspend your account. In case if you add a new credit card, or in case if your credit, or there can be other reasons such as multiple declines on your credit card. And there's also another famous suspension which you see in Google Ads, and that is Google Ads suspended for unpaid balance. And you can either get unpaid balance or suspicious payment. In case if Google tries to charge your account multiple times, but still they are failed to get their funds due from your side, then you will see a error of your account has unpaid balance, your account is being suspended for suspicious payment. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about one of our client whose account was suspended for suspicious payment, and we worked hard with the Google team to get the account back and restored. Yeah, it took time, but normally we get suspicious payment error resolved within a week, sometimes 2 weeks, and in some time, very very rare scenario, it can take up to 3 weeks. But yeah, usually it's being done within a week, and we are able to get those accounts restored within a week. So let me first share the account. One of the, we are unsuspending accounts, and we are working with those clients for years. So now this is another case study for suspicious payment. So let me move to the account first, so I can show you. Okay, this is okay. We also have multiple MCCs, so you cannot judge our performance by seeing 3 to 4 accounts. And in different case studies, I have opened different accounts. So yeah, you can see now your account is unsuspended. Your account has been reactivated and is able to run ads again. You might need to update your billing information before you can run, before your ads can run. Also, another reason is in case if your account has unauthorized access, which I also told, but now Google thought that this can be an unauthorized access as well. So once your account gets unsuspended, you can see either of the reasons. Now the question is, you must be wondering, in case if Google understands it, and why they do not tell the exact reason to us so that we can solve it. What I felt is the reason which is why you often see that we cannot tell you the reason for account suspended and why your account is suspended. We cannot tell. It's because Google does not want to leak their algorithm or technique through which they figure out which account is good or bad. Because in case if that is leaked or exposed, then people will find another loophole to get it sorted. So for to hold illegal activities, which is why Google does not tell this. So now how the question was how we were able to get it resolved. In case if you open my um, article, which is a very famous article on my blog regarding how to get your Google Ads account unsuspended. I have discussed in details regarding other common ads errors. Your account has been suspended for violation of Google Ads account advertising policy. In this or related account permanently suspended for a repeated violation, there can be many. Okay, what you have to do is you have to file an appeal. Okay, or the other way is to call them. Okay, either scenario works, but what you have to do is, in case if your account is suspended for suspicious payment, like this account which was suspended for suspicious payment, we have to figure it out what can be the reason. In case if you already have an account and your account is suspended due to multiple reasons which you felt, or in case if you already have a suspended account and you get another account in Google, figured out that this account is linked to that account. Now that is another case. We also help that in that cases as well. But right now, like in case if your account is suspended for suspicious billing payment, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to explain the detail regarding when you are working with Google. When you select the account ID, and or in case if you go from this form, okay, what you have to do is you have to be very precise on your account ID. What happened exactly? Why when you saw the suspension on your account, you saw the expansion on your account when you made a payment, or you saw the suspension on your account when you just signed up, or you saw the suspension when you created ads. You have to be descriptive as much as possible. Now that is one of the first key when you're trying to get your account restored. Now the second strategy is, in case if you are using a credit card, you can attach your cards front card, and even like you can uh, hide your last four digits to, or you can attach your bank statements so that Google can get away. That is the form, and you can fill out the form and explain to the Google regarding this. Okay, now this account is not suspended, which is why it's not showing over here, but in case if you open a suspended account, you can easily go over here. For instance, this account is suspended. I know this account is suspended because I know the client. So when you explain to them regarding suspension, like this, in submit an appeal, when you write to them, we have to be explanative regarding. Now this account is suspended for circumventing system. I have a separate video regarding circumventing system, but like you have to explain it in, and also in case if you attach your billing details, such as in case if you have a CNAC, national identity card or number, or your passport, driving license, your utility bills matching with your name, and also your credit card. In case if you have a physical credit card, you can hide out your last four digits and attach that card, or it will be even better even in case if you can attach your credit card or debit card bank statement with it. So what happens is, when you add these kind of details, it makes the process easier and quicker for Google, and Google also think that this is not an automated query, but the guy is serious and willing to work out on. Now, okay, now in case if you ask us, our appeal process is different from an ordinary user. Why? Because we are Google partner, and we have a dedicated Google Ads manager which works closely with us in optimizing accounts and different things. But yeah, for those who don't know, that the Google dedicated manager and Google suspension team both are totally different. They are not interlinked, but yeah, they can help us, they can guide us, and they also have some managers they also have contacts and a suspension team, and they can get your account unsuspended in case if it's a very in case if you explain to them like you are losing a lot of money, and your business is solely dependent on Google Ads, and due to this mistake we are losing a lot of money, and we are completely fine, we haven't violated any policy, and that is due to Google. So in case, it's all about how you are able to present your case to the Google Ads team. The better you present, I think you should rather, submitting your appeal, you should work on this. And in case if you want us, we will be able to gladly help you in getting your Google Ads account restored. We worked on all cases circumventing system, suspicious payment, or whatever request is, will be gladly able to help you. And now I'm showing you for this client, and I mean the client which was whose account was recently got unsuspended was this one. And the first thing which is very important in getting the account restored is you need to be patient, and that is the thing uh, which helped us. I mean, not this one, let me refresh it. Okay. And that is that you need to be patient when you're trying to restore the account. In case if you are not patient and you're just like, yeah, I just want to get my account uh, unsuspended as soon as possible, or this is not going to work on. So that is the thing, that you need to be patient. And second thing is you need to be compliant. Sometimes it's a billing error, sometimes it's a IP address issue, sometimes we do not know we are using a proxy or a computer's malware. And we help our clients to let know that what is the exact reason. So this can vary from client case to case. So you need to be patient, and you need to be open, like you are willing to work on to get your account restored. So you need to accept this fact that we may have to test on several things to get it restored. So you can see this account is unsuspended. So this is another successful case study out of many case studies we have. So yeah, in case if you want to work with us, I'm a Google Ads certified partner. My team, my company is a Google partner company, and we also have a list of Facebook advertising professionals, Google Ads advertising professionals working with us, and we will be able to gladly help to work out on account suspensions. We also work on Google Merchant Center account suspensions as well. So we look forward to work with you all, with all of you guys. And in case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. I will be looking forward, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, make sure to subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.